Hello everyone, it's Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. I'm here with a project share. This is the Magnolia Box and Album Set. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous project, guys. I'm super excited to share it with you all. This is featuring my Harvest Gold paper collection. It's a 12 by 12 collection, and this is the November CMC project. But if you are uninterested in getting all of the projects in the November CMC, you can pick this up all by itself. It's called Magnolia, the Magnolia Box and Album Set. So check this out. I will link you down to everything below. You can pick up whatever you want, guys. So check out this box. Look at this, how absolutely stunning this is. It's it turned out gorgeous. I'm so proud of it. So you open it up back here, and there's your album. As always, I always forget to do something. Oh my gosh, I forgot to mat my eye panel. But anyway, it has a gorgeous album in the back. All right, but I just want to show you how amazing this box is. How it's see-through on these two sides here. Right there, see that? How gorgeous all that is right there inside. I show you how to make this box step by step by step. All right, look at that, how beautiful. In a cutting guide and video instruction, again, I'll link you down to everything below. With this purchase, you get your SVG file for the title that you see right there. It's gorgeous. Now that I look at this, in retrospect, I think that I should have done this in gold just to make it pop a little bit more. But when I was making it, I loved the black, and I love how it's just kind of floating there. So that's an SVG file for you guys included with your purchase of the Magnolia box or the November CMC. You'll find it in both places. All right, so look at that, how stunning. So there's the back. Look at the paper, guys, how beautiful. All right, and there is your box. It's such a great piece. The album measures another fabulous project. The album is 9 by 7 ish. It's got this fabulous cover. You guys will recognize this. I made this in a different project, but it was my album. My box lid did this. So this time I decided to go with the album cover. So if you love that, and correction, I didn't do this. I did this portion, the swinging portion. What was swinging was a cross. Here we made a shaker frame. You can replace your photo if you want to. You can just see that insertion right there. So here it is, guys. It's a shaker frame. So that's the difference. But the swingy thing is from one of my Easter projects, which is called the Blessed Box. All right. So check that out. How fun is this cover? I just adore that. So much fun. And it's nice and thick, so your shakies will shake. Okay. And then let me show you what I did here on the spine. Check out the eyelets, guys, on this spine. How gorgeous that looks. The beautiful paper on the back. Everything is just beautiful. This is a great album. It starts off with a really fun pocket here. This is an SVG file for you guys as well. I also show you how to cut this manually if you don't have an SVG. However, this right here, this is just an SVG. I don't have this manually or anything like that. All right. So that's just your SVG file. But this pocket, yes, I cut it by hand and I show you how to do it. All right. So we've got some simple pockets right here. I am going to be covering the spine. I'm not completely done with this project. We have this super fun pocket here, right? And then these two act as the closure. Then we have this fun reverse waterfall right here. And then we have this, this opens up. And you have this little door closure right here. How fun is that? This is a pocket. And then we have your photo mat right here. So I didn't put anything on the photo mats because I'm going to print large photos to put on these photo mats. They're not going to be small ones. So you stay tuned for that. That will be another video where you will see it with your photos. And then here you've got another pocket. Here this opens up like so. So we've got a few little pop-up elements here. And then there's a belly band below each pop-up for some more interaction. And again, I will come back and show you this album full with pictures. All right, then back here, there's a belly band. This fun little detail here that was done with the Zutter Bind It All, and I show you in the videos how I did that. Okay, a few eyelets there. This will get a closure as well. I'm going to do photos, and I'm not sure if I'm going to do large photos, small photos, so I just wanted to leave this open just in case because my closure goes back there. I also wanted to show you that the back of this is photo options. All right, you have photo options on the back of that, and that's just super duper duper fun and interactive. All right, then you have this large angle pocket here with some photo mats and pocket cards. And then we have another reverse waterfall. Then we have some more pockets, all sorts of fun little things here, guys, with this paper collection. This is the accessory set to the Harvest Gold collection. That is separate. I will link you down below to that as well. So there's a paper collection with all of the embellishments, which I don't know if you noticed, but I haven't embellished yet, again, because I have to print my photos out, and then we'll do the embellishing together in the videos. And then what's going on here? Okay, got it. Then that flips over. Notice everything's laying flat. Okay, this is my pop-up platform binding, which is so amazing. Again, large photos here. Lots of 4x6 photo mat options, as I showed you in this pocket over here. So a ton of space. So very little decorating because I really want the pictures to be the showstopper here. So I want to print my pictures before I add any of the embellishments. Super fun pocket here. Lots and lots of photo options here. Okay, really fun. That opens up like so. Okay, there's one of those gorgeous pocket cards that you get in the accessory set. I have a pocket card here on this envelope and a card set. Really cute. The colors in this collection are so beautiful. I hope you love it. This is a photo mat that comes out of this pocket for 8 photos. Excuse me, 8 photos on a photo mat on an album that lays flat. It's just so amazing. Again, large photos. You will see that very soon. This opens up like so to reveal this fabulous envelope style here. Another angle pocket. This is magnetized, and this is the end of our book. We've got a pocket right here and all done. That's it. This is your album, and it is gorgeous. Absolutely stunning, guys. All right. Pop-up platform binding. It's really fabulous. You guys are going to love it. And wait till you see how I dress up that spine. It's going to be beautiful. All right, let's pop this back in the box. I just love it so much. I think it came out so cute. I love the back opens like so. Put your book in there. You can either show your pages on the side or you can show your spine. I chose to do my spine. I really like the spine on the side. You can see the eyelets and it kind of wraps around, and then you see the oranges here and over here. It's kind of like a continuation of this on the side, but the pages also look super cute in the spine, in this window as well. Like if you did tabs in this album and you suspended beads and all sorts of little tchotchkes, you would see it here. If you showed your pages, it would look super adorable. So many possibilities. Can you imagine this as a Christmas project? Do it like a storefront. It would be gorgeous. Let me know your thoughts on this project. I can't wait to hear what you think about the project, the paper collection, the album, everything. Let me know what you think, and let me know if you picked it up and if you have a different idea other than using the Harvest Gold collection for this beautiful project. Again, the Magnolia box and album set. I hope you love it. This is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon, and until next time.